literally and figuratively. Known as the voice master of the Philippines, he is a multi-awarded Filipino voice artist, motivational speaker, author, youth advocate, and a pioneer in AI voice technology in Southeast Asia. He is the founder of Creative Voices Productions, the first and premier voice-over company in the country, and the visionary behind the Certified Voice Artist Program, which has trained over 20,000 Filipino voice artists worldwide. Recognized globally as the godfather of Filipino AI voices, he is the first Filipino to partner with top AI platforms like 11 Labs, Murph AI, and Tomato.ai, creating authentic Filipino synthetic voices that preserve our language and culture in the digital era. Dubbed as the AI voice master, he is not just a voice behind the mic, but the voice that inspired a generation to speak up, innovate, and lead with purpose. Let us give a warm welcome to our distinguished guest speaker, Mr. Pocholo de Leon Gonzalez.
Hello, great day. Great day. Okay, before I start, I would like everyone to please stand up. Please stand up. Even the kids, yeah. And I would like you to find a partner. Okay, anyone? Pwedeng tatlo kung kulang. Now, I would like you to look at your partner. Don't look at me, please. Look at your partner. And I would like you to appreciate his or her beauty. Namnamin mo ang kagwapuhan at kagandahan. Now I would like you to say something to that person. Say something nice. 1, 2, 3, go! Okay, now you say, alam mo, tignan mo yung kapartner mo, huwag ako yung tignan nyo. Don't look at me. Sabi mo sa kanya, alam mo, ang swerte-swerte mo. Kasi sa dinami-rami ng gwapo at maganda rito, ako pa ang nakatabi mo. Alright, now, I would like you to hold the hand of your partner and say, thank you very much. Yeah. And whatever you want to say to that person, you can say it now. Go. Oh. Okay, thank you very much. You may have your seat. And that's my talk. Thank you very much. Maraming pong salamat. Do you feel great today? Kids, do you feel great today? If you feel great, say, I feel great. Do you feel great today? Very good. Okay, before anything else, I would like to introduce myself. My name is what? My name is who? Okay. I would like to say thank you, Ma'am Jacqueline Marsan Tolentino, for inviting me here. Palakpakan po natin si Ma'am Jackie, ang aking fellow freedom speaker from Freedom Summit sa Bali, Indonesia. We were together. And yeah, how do you feel about the video that you've seen before I speak? Have you felt something? When you saw Jose Rizal speaking in front of you? By the way, I was featured in TV Patrol last December 30, 2024 for creating the very first Jose Rizal Artificial Intelligence. That you can speak with Jose Rizal on a website, that you can talk about anything about him, about what happened during his time, but not beyond his time. So now, I also created the very first AI, like this one, perfect face of Dr. Jose Rizal, which I developed for almost 2 years. Do you like the video? Do you like the song? Imagine if Rizal is existing right now. Can you imagine if you can speak and talk to Jose Rizal? What would he say about what's happening to this country, especially with the stupid, officials that we have? Diba? And for sure, Jose Rizal is the first person that felt so embarrassed. Yes or no?
Yes.
Because instead of focusing on the right things, he's focusing on the bad things. Grabe yung message ni Rizal. And even the song itself is so powerful. Bobong Pilipino, wow, harsh. Yes, you are. Sabi niya magpakatalino, wag palinlang sa mga manloloko. Wag maging bobo, maging matalino. Especially for kids, that these kids, what will happen to the future of this country if this kind of government we have is doing such thing like this, di ba? But let's not talk about it. It's just result that I'm talking about. Ang sa akin lang, I cannot imagine na namatay si Rizal for us, for our freedom, just to tayo mismo mga Pilipino, ang kapwa natin, ang mga api sa atin. But now, I just want to tell you that this is 100% AI generated. Palakpakan po natin. A lot of people are afraid of artificial intelligence. Why? Because they say, oh, mawawalan kami ng trabaho. Yes, that's true. You will lose your job to the people who knows how to use artificial intelligence. It's just like any other technology. But then again, I believe that AI is also our savior. It will help us to democratize things that we don't even know how to do it before. Just like website designing, coding, you know? Because right now, me and Ma'am Jackie will have a program for Eton International School sooner or later, and we will teach your kids how to do artificial intelligence and how to use it on their own advantage. Palakpakan po natin si Ma'am Jackie. Well, this is my message now. I will be very fast. I usually speak for 3 hours, so you don't have that much time. I'm one of the top motivational speakers of this country. So you can even Google. Let's try lang ha. Who is the best Filipino voice talent? Can you try Google? Come on. Who is the best Filipino voice talent? So that's Google answering. Even ChatGPT will tell you who's the best. Sino po, ma'am? Ayan. Ako daw po, sabi ni Google. Okay. What if, one day, Google says, the best blank in this country is your daughter or your son? Would it be possible? Why not? If Google can say my name, why not your children, even yourself? Alright? So once again, great day, mabuhay. Young leaders of Eton. Say hi, kids. Hello, kids. Hi. Do you know who's your favorite cartoon character? Did you know that I can do the voices of SpongeBob? Do you want to hear SpongeBob? I can't hear you, kids. Do you want to hear SpongeBob?
Ay, ay,
Okay, can you count 1, 2, 3, go!
Hey, come on, Patrick. I'm SpongeBob. Aita!
Hey, how are you, SpongeBob? My name is Patrick.
Hey, shut up, SpongeBob. Patrick.
Hey, my name is Mr. Krabs.
I can do the voice of Mickey Mouse and Donald Duck.
Oh, come on, Pluto. My name is Mickey Mouse. Oh, Pluto.
Gosh, I'm Goofy. I can do Bugs Bunny.
What's up, Doc?
You're so despicable.
I thought Putty Tat. I did thought Putty Tat. I love you, you love me.
I'm the great Count Dracula. One beautiful.
I want some cookie. Some cookie is for me. Yum, yum.
Oh, Elmo wants to dance.
Oh, me? Scooby-Doo.
We like it, kids. Yeah. You know what? I have done a lot of YouTube channel. I don't know if you know this channel. Do you know the Amazing Digital Circus? Do you know Kane? Do you know Pomni? Did you know that Kuya Choi, you can call me Kuya Choi, is the director of the Amazing Digital Circus? Yay! Ang kulit. At ayan, ako rin po yung gumagawa ng mga anime, Kaiju number 8, and next week, the first ever movie, one of the biggest anime that I have directed is Gachi Akuta. It's Anyone. Pang bata lang po yan, no? So hindi kayo nakaka-relate. Pero ito, makaka-relate kayo. Do you know that I'm the voice behind Meet Your Garden? Yes! So I'm the voice behind the father of Sunshine. Do you want to hear? Okay, count 1, 2, 3, go!
Magandang araw sa inyo. Ako nga pala ang tatay ni Sunshine. Kamukha mo si Dawing Sir. Mukha kang pinya.
Palakpak! O, diba? And many, you know Blippi? Blippi? How about Morphel?
Oh, ang gwapo na si Morphel!
I did those voices, so I have done thousands of commercials, anime, so that's why I'm the best. Ay, magaling eh. Humble ako eh. Anyway. Okay, this is my message. Okay. Hi everyone, my name is Pastor Leon Gonzalez and I'm also known as the Voice Master of the Philippines. And I'm also super excited and honored to be with you all today. You know what? Just looking at these kids, hello kids, are you still listening? Okay lang yan. The future is bright. Do you think so? Brilliant and full of greatness. Let's give yourselves a big round of applause. Our future. Okay, I have just 5 messages for you. Number 1 is, you are light bearers. Wow. The theme today says it perfectly. Light bearers of this generation, empowered to lead, anchored in God, called to serve the world. What does that mean? It means you are the light of this generation. You are here to shine. Okay? Not just for yourself, but for others. Just like, sobrang idol ko tong speaker kanina. Si Sir Ilyak. Di ba? Palakpakan po natin. Especially during my JCI days. I'm also the former president of JCI Makati, who happens to be the best chapter during my time. Opo. Hindi niyo po alam yung JCI? Opo, hindi po siya religious group naman yung Jesus Christ International. It's Junior Chamber International. So, even if you're still young, you can already make a difference by being kind, respectful, and brave. Number 2, your voice has power. Do you think and do you believe that your voice has power? Yes or no? Yes, of course. Yes, even if a soft or small, you can inspire, uplift, and lead. A real leader is someone who tells the truth. Diba? Ang leader po hindi sinungaling. At alam nyo na, marami po tayong sinungaling na leader. Encourages others, not discourages others. And speaks with kindness. It's very important that you speak with kindness. So remember this, don't just be a voice that matters. Says what's right, help others, and always believe that your words can change the world. And number 3, this is the most important thing, stay connected with and anchored with God. Being a leader is not always easy. Sometimes it can feel scary or hard. But when your heart is anchored in God, just like a boat, it ties safely to shore. You will stay strong, calm, and steady. Trust Him. Pray often and let your leadership be full of love, faith, and goodness. That's how you lead with purpose. You know what? For 30 years, I've been doing this. And by the way, today is the anniversary of my organization called Certified Voice Artist Philippines. 5th anniversary. And this year is the 20th anniversary of my company, Creative Voices Productions. 80% of all voice talents, dubbers, and even broadcasters, speakers, started with my school. Okay? So number 4, use tech for good or technology for good. Now here's something cool. I'm also an AI voice creator. Mind you, my voice is the most recognizable voice you can ever hear. Ako po yung nasa TikTok lagi. Yung boses ko po yung ginagamit ng mga sikat na mga mga vloggers and mga like Jokes TV. Oh, Jokes! Akala ko AI ka lang. Ewan ko, naririnig niyo yun. That means I use my voice in technology to teach, tell stories, and bring characters to life. Amazing, right? But even with all this high-tech stuff, here's what I've learned. The heart will always be important than the machine. Remember how Jose Rizal speaks? It's all AI. Again, that voice is AI. Sabi nila, walang puso, walang kaluluwa ang AI. Mali. Bakit? Sino ba yung nasa likod ng AI? Di ba tao? Ang tao may puso at kaluluwa. Grabe, nung ginawa ko tong AI na to, nagulat din ako. Shucks, feel ko. Na-feel niyo ba siya? Galit siya? Mga bobong Pilipino? Talagang... Ewan, palakpakan natin si Rizal. Birthday niya kahapon. Nakalimutan na po natin. So, use technology to learn, to create, to help, not to cheat or hurt others. Let your voice and your values guide how you use the tool around you. And number 5, the last one, you are leaders now, especially for the kids, no? Some people say you'll be a leader someday, or you'll be a great leader someday. But I'm here to tell you, you are already a leader right now. When you help your classmate, when you clean up without being told, and when you say thank you, or I'm sorry, when you dream big and work hard, that's real leadership. So stand tall, be proud, lead with love. Final words from me. Before I go, let me leave you this. You don't need to be famous to be great. Just be good, be kind, and be real. Because the world needs more heroes like you. Please change this script if you want. Just kidding. Napanood niyo ba yung nagdadasal na konsehal? Binasa pati yung sinulat ng ChatGPT. It's viral ngayon, no? Kita niyo ba yun? Sobrang nakakatawa. But this will be the new normal, okay? Sometimes, yun lang, it just shows how stupid that person is. Congratulations, Eton International School.